Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Roblox Account Manager. This experience is restricted. So first of all, you need to open your browser, go to the roblox.com, log into your account, and then you need to go to the settings. Just click this gear icon in the top right corner and go to the settings. Now we need to move to the parental controls on the left menu. And first of all, we need to set the pin, guys. If this is turned off, you need to turn this on. And you need to create your pin for Roblox account. All right, you need to click add. Now you need to verify this. Just go to your email and there will be a code. You need to enter this code inside this box. All right, guys, we successfully verified and now we set the pin, guys, and our pin is ready. And now we need to do another thing, guys. Here is allowed experiences. You need to set this to all ages, guys. If you have tick on other option, you need to set it on all ages, guys. Just click all ages and leave like this, guys. So these are the steps how to fix Roblox Account Manager. This experience is restricted problem, and most likely after this you won't get any problem. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.